Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Namaste, Danaka, it's your boy in the with
It's your boy Good Luck and Colin.
you finish up so and
Hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe.
let's go guys. Today we got a 2011 Bollywood movie called Desi Boyz. So the cast right here is Akshay, Kumar, John Abraham, Deepika Padukone, Chitran, Gada Singh, and etc. Oh, there's a lot of like characters in here. Cast. Alright, so the first song is Make Some Noise for Desi Boyz, since it's a 2-in-1 video, and the singers in this song is legend KK Sar, which is mainly, then B.O.B, not really singing, just adding ad-libs in the middle, like make some noise for the Desi Boyz. Are you telling me the B.O.B, you know? B.O.B, the rapper in America?
The black guy, the rapper?
But he said it's just me saying some back vocals. Alright, so the song, make some noise for Desi Boyz. Okay.
And Desi girls?
Oh, that's B.O.B. Saying that?
This one I go. Go. Move by it.
Wow.
Akshay Kumar?
John Abraham. Make some noise for Desi Boyz. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Alright. Okay. Woo! Let's go. Desi Boyz. Yeah. MS Dhoni. Desi Boyz. Okay. Oh. Desi Boyz.
Hey!
There's a lot of foreigners. What country was that? They got access to the Air Force and stuff. Let's do a dance. Straight. To the right, to the left, to the right. Let's go.
You also did the ad-libs.
Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. They're about to light it up. Okay, that's
Damn,
Boyz.
the firefighter. Okay.
The Desi Boyz are the
They're here to
firefighters.
save the day. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. The Indian jersey in the cricket team.
Okay.
Shout out.
I know, Desi Boyz, boy.
This was, oh.
The budget was crazy.
It is.
$1 million to make this movie.
Oh, you can sing it. Okay.
Make some noise for Desi Boys. If I knew how to, I will do that, bruh. Because they made me feel good, bruh. I'll be like, phew, making all those noise.
Well,
you know?
you were making noise for the Desi Boys.
Man, that was really nice. It was fantastic, man. You know,
11.
ever since I watched John Abraham 5 years ago, it stick to my mind, bruh. He acted that one action movie. I don't remember, but if you wanna, you can see the main channel and on other channel we used to react to Indian. I remember he was an action figure in that movie. Yeah, you forgot until he removed somebody's eyes. Somebody's eyes was like removed and something. It was an action. He was fighting. It was like at night, and they went inside in a place. And I forgot the details, but it was John Abraham. That was nice. And of course, man, without forgetting Akshay Kumar, the legend. I think Akshay Kumar has another movie. It's like this, as a duo with someone else that came out like last year, or maybe it's coming out this year. I remember seeing a trailer on that one day. Yeah, both of it's like a duo like this, and it's like something like this, similar like this. Let us know if I'm mistaken. If it's not Akshay Kumar, then it was someone very famous. We saw it in a trailer, not in YouTube, but I think maybe before watching a movie you can see trailers. I'm not sure. It's maybe. Let me know. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. All right. So after Desi Boys, make some noise for Desi Boys. We're going to Subha Hone Nade. So the singers is Mika Singh, who's the male, and Shefali Alvarez, who's the female. And then the one who starts the song is Yo-Yo Honey Sing. Yo-Yo Honey Sing! Only the first verse before the female begins. Okay. And the second rapping part at the end of the song is Bohemia. So both Yo-Yo Honey Sing and Bohemia aren't really credited in this song, as they have very small parts, and the male parts are mainly sung by Mika Singh. And they were quite new to this industry at that time, but most of us fans can easily recognize their voices. And the actress in this song is Bruna Abdullah. By the way, initially Deepika isn't really present there, but John Abram is just imagine her. But at the end, Deepika for real comes. And the context is Deepika didn't know Rocco and Hunter, the famous strippers or escorts, are John Abraham, her boyfriend, whom she's supposed to marry, and Akshay Kumar, her BF's bestie. But the boys had their own reasons for doing so, which we will understand if we ever get to watch the movie. So that's why Deepika gets shook when she sees him when she sees him there after she finds out about them, which it was through social media and in the laptop, which you also see in the beginning of the song. That's some crazy thing. Like, what? Alright. So the song is called Subha.
That's the video.
Open her that work.
हमको कहते सुपरमैन ऑन कर लो हैंडीकैप from AM to PM बंदे एक्चुअल सर्विसमैन
That's imagination. Oh, that's not difficult. Is that difficult? No. Hey, let me get my suit. Let me get my coat. Alright. Hey. Boyz.
Let's go. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਹੌਟ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਨੋਟ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਾ ਹੈ ਅਭੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਕਭੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਟੱਚ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਮੌਸਮ ਤੋਂ ਨੱਚ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਹੋਣਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਬਸ ਅੱਜ ਰਾਤ ਕੇ ਲਈ
Oh, okay. Imagine it.
Subha ek dusre ko sohna de
Hey, hey.
मैं तेरा हीरो सुनो जरा अमीरो बंदा मैं रबता मैं फ्रेंड सबदा देखे दुनिया के कोने बस हम दोनों ही सोने दुनियों में अपने चर्चे हम पे करती है खर्चे लाइफ ने ऐसा धोया मैं जान गया के सोया सूरज से मैंने बोला क्या बोला बोला
All right. After finding out. Oh, they're speaking of themselves. Yo. Oh.
You have some explaining to do. You have some explaining to do, man.
Bro, they were snitching on themselves from AM to PM. It's like, hey yo, the girl is there watching you. But the song is really
Yeah,
good.
the song
The
is
song
good.
is
I love
really
the lady's part.
Which one? The It was nice. It was nice. It was nice, man. It's a club song. It's a song that can be put in the club and you
From when
can
it
vibe
just
with
started.
it. Man. I really loved it.
Yeah.
It was nice and the characters really nailed their role.
Yeah.
You know, you might think they're male strippers in real life.
Yeah.
You know, they were really doing the moves, man. It was nice. I'm really curious why they did that. Maybe it's to save money for something they're trying to do. That's what I have in my mind. Guessing, I don't know. Let us know, or maybe I don't know. Let us know why they did it.
If we need to watch to know.
It's all up to you. Make sure it makes it in the next poll. You know, the polls that we have for the next movies about to watch. So that was some good songs and from a good movie. I enjoyed it. So I hope you guys also enjoyed it. I can see your support. We already 67. Only
67.1K.
Only 3K remaining, right? 2.9K. We can do this. Let us know what do we have while you're watching this video. Let us know in the comments. Comments if it's 67 or 67.5. Let us know. So keep on subscribing. Road to 70K. Stay safe. Stay tuned. Peace.